Here's a quick plan to buy Barcelona Grand Prix 2026 tickets and secure the best price. 1 key dates, official sellers, race weekend, 12-14 June. 2026 Circuit de Barcelona-Catalunya. Buy from official sellers, F1 experiences. Circuit official ticket agents, for example, Grand Prix events, authorized. Resellers listed on the official F1 site, buying via official channels. Avoid scams, 2 early bird opportunities to watch for. Official on-sale announcement, primary early window tickets often go on sale months earlier and first release stock is cheapest. Pre-sales for fan clubs, team members, credit card partners, and F1 experiences packages. These can open before general sale. Last-minute discounted resales sometimes appear closer to race weekend, but availability is limited and prices can spike. 3. Best pricing strategy step by step. Step 1. Monitor official release. Sign up for email alerts on F1 experiences, Circuit de Barcelona, and major authorized agents. Step 2. Buy in first release if you want specific grandstand seats. General admission is cheaper but sells fast. If price is priority, opt for weekend gabble. Step 3. Compare authorized resellers for package deals. Ticket plus hotel transfer. Sometimes package prices per person lower than standalone tickets. Step 4. Use pre-sale access if you qualify team or fan club or credit card. Or consider F1 experiences packages higher cost but include extras and guaranteed access. Step 5. If you miss first release, monitor resale. Only from authorized or verified platforms. Avoid unknown marketplaces. Expect higher prices and limited choice. 4 practical tips to reduce cost. Buy general admission weekend pass rather than prime grandstands. Attend single day, Saturday or Sunday instead of full weekend. Travel midweek. Book accommodation early to avoid surge pricing in Barcelona. Split group packages or shared hospitality only if vendor guarantees refunds or transferability. 5. Safety authenticity checklist. Confirm seller is listed as an official or authorized agent on F1 experiences or circuit site. Check ticket delivery method, PDF print at home or official mobile. Tickets and refund or transfer policy. Keep purchase confirmation and payment receipts.